Good morning, children. Welcome back to your value education class. Today we are going to start with lesson 16 of your value education book, and the name of the lesson is The Two Sides of the Shield. Now, this concept is explained here with the help of a story, and in this story, there was a soldier who was traveling in the forest, and when the soldier was traveling to the forest, he was traveling towards west side, and on his way he saw a shield, and that shield looked like from his end it looked like a golden shield. One more soldier, the other soldier, came from the eastwards, and while he was coming, he saw the back of the shield, and the back of the shield was made of silver. So the shield was kept there, and both the soldiers started fighting. First, they admired the shield. The first one said, "Wow, what a beautiful golden shield." And the second one said, "Wow, what a beautiful silver shield." But when they came to know that they had the different opinion, ठीक है, जब दूसरे वाले ने बोला that it is a silver shield, so the first one said, "Oh, you have gone mad. This is a golden shield and you are telling that it is a silver one." And the second soldier said, "You are mad. It is a silver shield and you are telling it is a golden one." So they started fighting, and they eventually were about to fight. But then the goddess of that forest appeared before them and said, "The soldiers, you all can change your sides and see that a shield always has two sides. The side by which you are looking, it is golden, and she told to the second soldier that the side from which you are looking, it seems that it is silver." So when the soldiers changed their sides and they saw that they were mistaken, and they got to know that they were just on the wrong side, not at the wrong place. Both of them realized their mistakes, that the shield was golden from one side and the silver from the other side. So you get a message from the story that unless you see both the sides of anything, you will never know the truth. So to know the truth, you should always listen to both the sides, and it is as well as to look at both before we commit ourselves to either. आप कभी भी कोई डिसीजन लो तो हमेशा दोनों लोगों की बातों को सुन के तब डिसीजन लो, बिकॉज यू शुड नो बोथ द साइड्स. अगर एक ही इंसान आपको अपनी बातें बता रहा है तो हो सकता है कि वो आपको सिर्फ एक ही साइड दिखा रहा हो. सो बिफोर टेकिंग एनी डिसीजन यू शुड see both the sides of that situation. And in my perception, children, before analyzing certain event, हमें उस इवेंट से रिलेटेड जितने भी लोग हैं उनके परसेप्शन को समझने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए. पुटिंग आरसेल्व्स इनटू देयर शूज, उनके जगह पे खुद को रख के देखना चाहिए कि अगर हम उनकी जगह पे होते तो कैसा सोचते या क्या करते या हमारे लिए क्या कन्वीनियंट होता. इफ वी आर थिंकिंग इन दिस वे, डेफिनेटली वी विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व सर्टन नहीं, मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स एक्चुअली, और हमें उतनी ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं होंगी. So children, we should always try to see all the possible sides, and every truth has two sides. So we should always try to judge both the sides before we come to some conclusion. Here are the fill in the blanks of this lesson which we are going to discuss. One day a soldier dashed his horse and rode westwards. If you go through the story carefully, the word mountain is the correct answer for the very first fill in the blanks. So the first answer is mounted. The second sentence, can't you see that it is not a dash but a dash shield? कौन सी शील्ड थी? इट इज अ, can't you see that it is not a golden but a silver shield? दोनों ही एक दूसरे के अपोजिट हो रहे थे. So एक ब्लैंक में गोल्डन होगा और एक ब्लैंक में सिल्वर होगा. Suddenly the dash of the forest appeared before them. कौन appear हुआ था? Goddess of the forest. So the answer for the third one is goddess of the forest. Each one of you has seen only one dash of the shield. उन लोगों ने कौन सा साइड देखा था? सिर्फ वन साइड देखा था. So each one of you has seen only one side of the shield. So side is the correct answer for the fourth. Fill in the blanks. The last, unless one sees both the sides of anything, one will never know the dash. Truth. So for knowing truth, you should always see both the sides of the shield. So with this message, children, I leave the class. I end the class here. I hope you have got the message and which you are going to implicate in your life. Thank you, children, and have a good day.